this button here.
First way?
Yes, first way.
Truck number?
2014.
4014?
2014. 2014.
Okay, you're all good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I just pulled into the cat scale at the TA in Lock Haven, and the reason I'm doing that is because we have to weigh the truck. Now, we weigh the truck for a couple different reasons. One, to make sure that it's not overloaded. This shipment is far from overloaded, but we want to make sure that we know how much this shipment weighs, because that's how we bill for long distance moves.